Hey, this is my game. I want to make a RimWorld like game, but I want this RimWorld like game to be a lot bigger than RimWorld is. I also want it to be 3D so that you can have left, right, forward, back, and up and down. And I want to have deeper simulation. This is a um very primitive version of the game right now. You can see you can see these little human-like figures moving around. And as they are traveling around, the world is generated on the fly. I'm doing it this way that like world is generating as they are moving, as they are exploring the world because the size of the world is infinite. It can be as big as they travel. While it doesn't sound like a big deal, Unity actually can't handle a world size that's really really big because it uses floating number as its precision system. For me, I use long number, which is 64 bits, as my coordinates for XYZ. On top of that, I'm using W, I'm including W in my positional information. W is a, I'm using W to describe dimension that this of the position. So in this game, not only do you have normal left, right, forward, back, and up and down, but also you have W dimension that there is many different worlds overlapping onto another. I'm thinking maybe it's I'm thinking it's going to be very cool if there are multiple worlds and these pawns can travel into different dimensions like like in movies and stuff. And this game is going to be about making a virtual life uh, house, doll house, and these little pawns are going to live in it. Uh, that's it. A game that I'm working on. Well, to ramble a bit, I think working on a big project takes a long time, and while I'm thinking very much ahead, that there is a limitation I can go so far. Previously, I've been failing multiple times because I was trying to take a big leap forward while I can when I can only take a few steps in reality. So I gave up trying to make a big leap. I'm going to move forward just a bit, an inch by an inch every day, so that way I don't think I will give up. I think if I just take this big project a small chunk by a chunk, I can continue and finish this and create something that's unique. Maybe people can like as well. I think I think this is already fun to watch. To to watch these pawns exploring the world. So they look like a human, but I'm trying. I They have a behavior called wender. So so basically, I mean, they have a need called wender. So basically, they want to wander around. And I mean, I want to use this wandering behavior for pawns like sheep, animals, because animals move around. So, so they're so they are so they're like visualizing how animals like sheep are going to move around in my game. So if you want to confine, so you're going to want to confine these sheeps in um the wooden like fence or something or a wall so that you can keep them in. And I'm thinking maybe I can add like wolf so that or dog so that these pawns avoid I can make these pawns to avoid dogs or wolf so that they move away and so that I can make like a I can code like a dog to corner these ships into fence and that will take a lot of time maybe no I'm scratching that in my head. All right, I ran out of things. Bye.